How to eat brown bread for weight loss. When it comes to losing weight, bread is generally not the first thing that comes to mind. But did you know you can easily incorporate it into your diet with whole grain or brown bread? That's right, you can eat brown bread for weight loss thanks to the high amounts of fiber. Diets always specify that you should cut on refined carbs such as sugar, candy, and white bread. Due to the calories in bread, it is not usually seen as the most beneficial dietary supplement. Brown bread, on the other hand, is actually one of the most popularly consumed foods in our fast-paced, on-the-go lifestyles, thanks to its dietary rich factors and the variety of ways to prepare it. There is no right or wrong time of the day to eat your daily dose of vitamin and mineral-filled sarmie, as long as you keep an eye on the filling. Eating brown bread for weight loss progress can do wonders in your existing diet and should be regarded as a wise addition. Read our guide for more great tips on losing weight and discover how to eat brown bread for weight loss.